Doctor, why? You should not be eating ice now, Mrs. Kim. It's not good for your baby's health. Ryan, baby? Doctor, yeah, you are 2 weeks pregnant now. That's why you are having headache and vomiting. But it's normal in this condition. You don't need to worry. Just take these medicines and come here for regular checkup. Okay, Ryan? Sure, thank you. Ryan came out of hospital and sat inside her car. Ryan, should I call him to tell this news? She said excitingly. Ryan, driver, let's go to tail company. Driver nodded. Ryan, he will surely be in heaven after hearing about this news. Ryan, but what if he doesn't like the news? Ryan, no, Ryan, he loves kids. He will surely love this news. Think positive. She arrived at his company. She goes inside. The receptionist bowed to Ryan. Receptionist, ma'am, Mr. Kim is in his office. You can meet him there. Ryan just passed her a little smile and headed towards his office. She stands in front of his office nervously, looking at office door, thinking how she will tell him and what will be his reaction. Mrs. Kim, Ryan turned around. Ryan, oh, Jungwon, how are you? Jungwon, I'm good, ma'am. Ryan, why are you outside his office? You are his secretary, right? Or is someone is here to visit him? Jungwon nodded his head. Faster. You want me to do faster? Here, right there. Right there, kitten. Ryan's eyes widened, hearing that noises. Ryan, what's happening here? She whispers. Jangwon, eyes also widened, hearing the weird noises coming from his boss' room. But the noises get more loud now, and a manly gets more and more loud. Wine puts her hand on her mouth, while her eyes widens more. Wine, is he cheating on me? Wine, who is there inside with him? She asked this to Jungwon with shaking voice. Jungwon, his business partner. Ryan, he is cheating on me with his business partner. She whispers. Jungwon, no, no, ma'am, it's not. But it was too late. Ryan already ran away from there as the voices were not stopping. Jungwon entered inside the cabin and said hurriedly to a man who just came from washroom after taking a warm bath. Jungwon, Mr. Kim, Mrs. Kim, she she was here a minute ago. Taeyong, what? Why did it she came inside? Jungwon, she she heard weird noises coming from your cabin. She thought you were cheating on her. She left while crying. Taeyong, when did she left? Jungwon, just a minute ago. The young man looked at his friend who was sitting on sofa with laptop on his lap and his thing in his hand, looking at Taeyong with apologizing look. Taeyong, If something happened to her, then you are dead, you bloody bunny. And then Taeyong runs behind her. He came to parking area and saw her running towards her car. He immediately ran towards her and holds her hand. Taeyong, where are you thinking you're going? Ryan, I didn't even imagine you will do this cheap thing. Ryan, you know how much happy I was before coming here to give you a surprise. But look here, I am the one who got surprised. Ryan, you didn't care about our 5 years relationship. You you didn't care about my feelings and just Ryan, just tell me from when? Tell what? Ryan, from when you're cheating on me? Tell Taeyong wipes her tears. Taeyong, I'm not cheating on you, Ryan. You misunderstood something. Ryan, I didn't misunderstood anything. I heard with my own ears. You and a girl, you both. Ryan, I can't even tell you what cheap things you both were doing inside your cabin. Ryan, just leave my hand. Let me go. I don't want to see your face. You cheat. Taeyong placed his on hers. After 2 minutes, Taeyong, I didn't cheat on you, okay? Ryan, no, you did. Let me go. You can't lie with a cheater. Taeyong drags her with him inside a room. Taeyong, Jack, show me the CCTV footage of my cabin of last 3 hours. Jack opened the footage of Chaeyoung's cabin of last 3 hours. There was Chaeyoung's friend Jungkook came to meet him. They talked and drank coffee together. Then Chaeyoung goes inside the washroom and JK opened Ty's laptop and started to watch with loud voices, and he himself starts to howl, rubbing his thing. Ryan gets shocked after seeing the scenes. Chaeyoung takes her to his cabin where JK was sitting. JK, ah, I'm sorry, sister-in-law. Because of me, you misunderstood. I am really sorry. Ryan was Joe's turn to say something, so she just nodded her head and avoided looking at Taeyong as she was embarrassed. She said too much to Taeyong. Taeyong kneeled down in front of Ryan and holds her hands in his. Taeyong, promise me you will first tell me about the matter in future if you had to deal with a situation like this. Ryan nodded her head. Taeyong wiped her tears with his hands and hugs her. Taeyong, shh, now stop crying. Hmm? JK left from there, giving them privacy. Taeyong take her to his chair and made her sit on his laps. Taeyong, you want to have something? Lunch? Coffee? Wine? Juice? Taeyong nodded. He ordered a juice for her and a coffee for himself. He again hugged her and tucked her hairs to console her. Ryan, I'm sorry. I didn't mean. Taeyong just pressed his lips on hers to make her quiet. After kissing softly for some good seconds, they broke the kiss. Taeyong, it's okay. Don't be stressed, okay? Ryan nodded. Taeyong, are you feeling better now? Ryan nodded. Ty, what surprise you were talking about earlier? Ryan, I, I, I am pregnant. Taeyong's eyes widened. Taeyong, what? Ryan nodded. She then looked at his face to saw his reaction. His eyes watered. And you are not happy? Taeyong, thank you. Thank you so much. He then pulled her into a kiss, a soft, passionate, full of love and care. After some time, Y Chai slowly. He was giving her on her time. Now it's looking beautiful. Ryan was breathing heavily. Diane comes up and kissed her, then kissed her both eyes, then slowly goes down, kissing her body. Ryan, no, no, Taeyong, please, Taeyong. It's okay, baby. Nothing will happen. You trust me, right? Ryan nodded. Tai takes off her and started licking her PRI. Tai, it's a punishment from me, so enjoy it. Hmm? Ryan, she nodded. After some time, Taeyong, you feeling okay now? He covers her with a blanket and goes to washroom to adjust something his you know you know